Hey friends, I'm Nora G and welcome back to Nora G's Nook. If this is your first time here, hi, hello, you're already family. So on this channel, I share DIYs, cozy living tips, and heartwarming moments from my little nook of the world. And if you've been working with me for a while, thank you. Truly, thank you. You've been missed more than words can say. So let's talk. You may have noticed I've been quiet on here, on YouTube, and everywhere else. Life, it got real full and really fast too. We moved into a new home, and I have been pouring my energy into my family, my work, my event decor business, Nora G's Decor and Events, which has been somewhat overwhelming, and honestly, I hit a creative wall. Creator's block is real, guys, very real. I needed time to pause, to breathe, and refocus. I needed to sit with myself and ask, what do I want this space, this channel, to be? But before I carry on and dive into cleaning and decorating, let me shout out Xoreni for sponsoring today's video, guys. They sent me the most gorgeous pieces that have transformed my living room from regular to modern. This retractable TV stand and coffee table set is not just chic, it's functional, like they literally retract and extend with a lot of storage drawers. You know I love hidden storage. For those of you who know, this set adds warmth, class, and structure to my space without overwhelming it. Thank you, Xoreni, for giving my living room a facelift and helping me bring my vision to life. Check descriptions on where to get yours and use the code below. Okay, now back to where I have been and talking about creator's block and burnout. I couldn't have gotten through that phase without the people God strategically placed in my life. To my YouTube sisters, Dede of Dede's Home Interior, Precious of Precious Kitchen, Claudy of Cooking with Claudy, Xoreni of Xoreni, and Mutombo from Mutombo in Progress. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Each of you poured into me in ways you never fully know. So yes, guys, I am forever grateful to these beautiful humans that God has placed into my life. And I would love it if you can show them some love. I have their links, the links to their channels in the description box below. And you can obviously show them some love if you wish. I would love it if you can do that. And just say a big thank you to them from me, from my community to them, okay? And of course, I wouldn't mind if you subscribe to their channels as well. So yes, a big shout out to these amazing ladies, guys. My heart is full, is all I can say. The day of Dede's Home Interior has been on my case about getting started with home decor content besides DIYs for the longest time. It's about time I lean into this side of me, guys. So here we are. I hope I'm making you proud today. It's been a journey of rediscovering, learning and unlearning, healing and embracing flow as a way of life. But through all of this, I realized I missed this. I missed you. I missed this beautiful space we've built together. I missed creating, sharing, and connecting with you all. Oh, and before I forget, I will also have links to most of the items I have in this video, both the cleaning items and just some of the household items that you've seen in this video in the description box, and links to where you can actually purchase them, most of which are from Amazon. So you know my love for Amazon. My house is like 90% Amazon, guys. Make sure to check out my Amazon find, my 50 Amazon find video I posted last week if you haven't watched that yet. So yes, I'll have them linked down below for some of the items on here which were not linked in my previous videos. And if you have any questions about some of the items you've seen that you like, to shoot me a question in the comments section, and as you all know, I will gladly answer because I'm always down for a quick chat with any of you all. So what's next? Nora G's Nook is back, guys, and this time it's better, more intentional, more focused, more heartfelt, more joyful, and more me than ever. More Nora than ever. I'll be sharing weekly videos, simple, soulful, and beautiful. Things like cricket projects that speak life. If you haven't checked my previous videos, make sure to check it out. Cozy home DIYs you can do on any budget. Dollar Tree, Amazon, IKEA, Walmart transformations, you name it. Behind the scenes from my event decor business, if you like to see that, and real talk. The kind that warms your heart like a good bowl of pepper soup on a cold day. Because this isn't just a DIY channel, guys. It's a space for women or men who want to create beauty, live intentionally, and feel at home in themselves. Alright, so if you're excited for what's coming, go ahead and tap that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and leave a purple heart emoji in the comments to let me know you're here, cozy and ready. And if there's something you want to see, guys, drop it below in the comments section. This is our Nook, okay? And I'm so grateful to be creating with you again. Another thing I have felt inspired to do this time around is share some words of encouragement and affirmations that have carried me through different seasons of my life, and hope that it helps at least one person out there as well. With that said, this is what I have for you today. Always make the conscious choice to move towards equanimity. Cultivate a calm heart. You have the power to stay centered and connected to your true self, even in the midst of unrelenting storms. Even on the heavy days, you can approach your pain with mindfulness and compassion. Add gentleness to your life. There's no need to rush or panic. Remember, darkness doesn't last forever. Allow the difficult emotions to pass through. Everything that's meant to stay will stay. You deserve all the good that's coming your way. So welcome it with your whole heart. Your whole heart, guys. Remember, you can either focus on how stressed you are or how blessed you are. You choose. As for me and my family, we choose blessed. And that's on period. Now, with regards to my hiatus on YouTube, let's go back a bit. So we put our previous home on the market. Bittersweet, right? So many memories in our old home. But we were ready for the next chapter. And right away, we found a beautiful home we loved. But we weren't ready to lock in since our old home hadn't sold yet. And just like that, we lost our bed. I was so heartbroken, but God had something better. We found land, and not just any land, a space where we could build our own little dream home. Then came the real miracle, guys, our builder. Wow, this man looked at us and said, "Don't worry, I'll build your home in 6 months." I laughed. I was like, "Sir, are you on HGTV or something?" But guess what? He meant it. Now here's where things get spicy. We sold our old home, but our new one wasn't ready yet. So we moved in with my sister-in-law and family for 4 months. My sister-in-law is the most amazing person you can stay with. She is very easygoing and everything, but we just needed to move into our own space as soon as possible. We had our stuff tucked away in a storage. My event decor inventory included my DIY stuff and all, which made staying consistent on YouTube pretty difficult at that time and almost impossible for the most part. I felt completely off balance, guys. I managed to actually create a few DIY videos during that time last year, which I have on the channel, and they did pretty well, but it was really hard to stay consistent. During this time, I was still running Nora's Decor events. Clients needed to be served. A new inventory arrived right when we were already drowning in boxes and struggling with the move. Entrepreneur life is not as glamorous as it seems, guys. But I love it. We finally moved into our dream home, and it felt like a hallelujah moment. But here's the honest truth. I still felt unsettled. There was so much to do, so so many decisions to make, and no matter how beautiful the space was, I wasn't fully present yet until recently. But I'm still not fully there yet, if I'm being honest. I'm still decorating my space, one space at a time. But the thing about creativity is this: it doesn't die, it just waits. And lately, I've felt that spark again. I found my mojo again. Felt the nudge to come back to my Nook, to you, to this incredible community which we've built. And not just come back, but come back intentionally. Reiterating, here's what you can expect: home projects, DIYs that fill your space with meaning, decor styling, business behind the scenes, Dollar Tree hacks, cricut crafts, and maybe even some heart-to-heart chats. We're doing this together, guys, one cozy corner at a time. If you're still here, thank you. Thank you for waiting for me, for believing in this little corner of the internet. I'm back, and I'm ready to pour out again. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that bell. Your girl is back, and we've got magic to make. Until my next video, keep being your fun self and have a great day.